Good morning, class. I welcome you again in grade 7. So, today we are going to start our second session of our chapter, that is role and impact of media on society. In the earlier, that is first session, we had discussed that what is the media and what are the various forms of media, and later on what is the meaning of society and what are the different layers and different parts of a society. So let's start with our second session, which consists of role of media in society, media and democracy, and impact of media. So let's start. Class, do you know that India has the second largest market for newspapers? So, the fourth largest television stations, and it is the 11th largest country in broadband internet usage in the world. So, here 78.8 million number of newspapers are sold daily. Here 665 television channels are there and 65 million active internet users are there. Here there are number of people which is totally depend upon the internet. Why? Because internet provides a variety of facilities and a variety of advantages to the various type of peoples like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. So here this picture shows that how media is integral part of modern society. Here mostly peoples is totally depend upon the media. Why? Because with the help of media they get the various type of information related to the education, society, fashion, trend, culture and sports. So now question arises that what should be a role of media? Yes, there is a very important role of media in our society like informative, positive, creativity, motivating, entertainment, and these all are the important roles of our media. Here are some advantages of media. Media plays a very important role in our life. It helps in getting awareness about the world, that what is happening in the world around us. We can get these all type of information from the media. So there are various elements of media like newspaper, radio, internet, magazines, etc. It also helps in bringing the word together. It is a very cheaper way of communication. It is not a very costly communication process. Here it also helps in research and analysis of various type of information related to the whole world. The most important advantages of media is that it can entertain the people like by providing various type of songs, movies, YouTube channels, etc. So media plays a very important role by giving the advertisement. It can also made easy, very easy. Now question arises, is there is some disadvantages of media? Yes. Besides the advantages, there are also various disadvantages and negative points of our media. So let's discuss on impact of media in society. There are both positive and negative impacts of media on society. So some are media effects that changes in knowledge, attitude, behavior, etc. So this is a picture which focuses on our media, that how our world looks like with media or without media. Now next arises that what is the role of media? Yes, media plays a very important role. So these are the some other points which focuses on the role of media. The most important point is the keeps the people updated. With the help of media, people makes or keeps latest news updated related to the fashion, trend, culture, entertainment, knowledge, etc. Now, next one arises that what is the role of media in democracy? In a democracy, the government is of the people, by the people, and for the people. So it is the responsibility of the elected representative to highlight the problems of the people and work towards the finding the better solution for these type of problems. Now, media is a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. So, there is a need to inform the people of things around them, that there is a check on the government, and media is one of them who informs regarding the government happenings. So, media plays a critical role in shaping a healthy democracy. It makes us aware of various social, political, and economic activities and happening around the world. So, in the end, the media is a vital source of important information for the people, which can provide the various type of information for that make can better choices about their future. These are the various points which can focuses on the positive impact and a negative impact of people. So these are the some examples which is related with the media. So class, in the end, I want to say it is a responsibility that we should seriously think about the revolutionary changes in the media and work for the improvement and better future of this sector. So in the end, I want to say that, or I want to conclude that media plays a very important role in today's life. It consists of various type of elements like newspaper, radio, magazines, internet, etc.